Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming here, and I appreciate that you're here, see and listen to me, and see what I can share here, right? And this talk is about bun. And first of all, who am I? Why am I here? So a brief introduction about me. I'm Devlin Duldulao. I came from Philippines, more or less 5 years ago, and during the pandemic, since I cannot go back to our country, I realized that I do something my time. So I wrote 3 books here, and now they're published. So yeah, so agenda, what is Bun? Features of Bun, right? Package manager, test runner, bundler, runtime. Benchmark. I'm gonna do benchmark in each topic, or that's gonna be my demo actually. So, and then I'm gonna do key takeaways. But why are we here? Why are we learning bundlers? Every month there's a new bundler, right? We have this turbo pack, which is closed source, and other stuff. But bundler give us a better DX as a developer using it, right? We enjoy development. Your CI finishes just quickly, saves money, right? And if a bundler is sufficient, in decreasing the file size of the app, lesser download time or lesser data for your end users, saves money. And now, let's talk about indirect impact in the world. So the indirect impact that I can say about these bundlers is the effect of global warming in the environment, right? Because lesser and faster things means lesser consumption of electricity, right? And computers. So it's friendly, it slows down the global warming. So much for that. So why did the creators of Bun choose to build it on top of Zig, right? Jared, the creator, said mainly because of its readability and easy to understand nature of the programming language, which helps him to write performant code. So here's an example of Zig's code. Let's say you want to create a function that calculates the square of a number, but instead of doing it while your program runs, you're going to do it while, or before your program starts in compile time. So here, there's a syntax here, or keyword comp time. You can tell Zig to calculate the square of the number when the program is compiled, not when it's running. This means your program already knows the result before it even starts making your code, faster or efficient. So by building Bun on top of Zig, the creators have made choice to prioritize performance, stability, and compatibility, and that's exactly what we get with Bun, a modern JavaScript runtime that's built for speed and ease of use. Now we're gonna do a demo of this, so we can share mirror on the wall. Guess this is it. Give me. There you go. Let's do this. So for the Zig, example code of Zig, very readable. What I can do here is just run it, build it, and then run it. And then I have another of this, not exactly the same, but I'm going to use TypeScript. Because in TypeScript, when we bundle things, we can see the source code, right? But it looks like this. So, so we have the binary. And I'm just going to run the binary. Square of 5 is 25. Now, the computation happens at compile time rather than runtime. But we have evidence of that later using TypeScript or JavaScript. Now go back to slides. Just good, that's good. So how do you install Bun? There's several ways. The easiest way is to use NPM. That's right. Now let's dive into powerful features of Bun. It's more than a JavaScript runtime. It's comprehensive development toolkit that includes package manager, bundler, test runner, and runtime. Let's go to package manager first. Bun's package manager is designed to be faster and more efficient than these alternatives while still providing the same level of functionality and compatibility. Um, how do we know which one is saying the truth here, or Bun is claiming this? We're gonna do benchmarking here along the way. So here's how you can do benchmarking on your own using Hyperfine with some flags. You can install this in your Mac, Linux, or Windows using WSL2. And this is what I'm going to run here. So Hyperfine, let's see it again, Hyperfine. I'm going to mirror this again so you would see what I'm talking about. This tooling is what normally a framework developer or creator or library creator would use to do this benchmarking. So this is it, Hyperfine. Now, I'm gonna use this Hyperfine in here. Let's go to VS Code. You can see it here. Now I'm gonna go to this. You're gonna benchmark PNPM, Bun, NPM, and Yarn. Who's using Yarn here, day to day? Yarn, PNPM, NPM, mostly NPM, right? So by the way, this is latest NPM, latest Yarn version 4. As you can see here, I got the binary here. PNPM, I'm using the exe. There's two types of PNPM, right? The exe is faster than the one because it bundles with Node.js. So let's try this. Warm up. So how to read it? Prepare. We're going to delete first the node modules. Let's see if it's clear enough. Then warm up, because in real life we're using cache. I just gonna put here 1 because this is npm install. It requires internet, right? It's gonna slow down our demo here. But it's better if it's 5 or 10. Well, I did it already. Well, I can run it again. So you can see here. I have ones and have 10 here, I guess. Runs. Well, anyways, this is the result earlier. So the way to read this is, it says here, or here are the results, right? Here are the results. But the most important here is the summary. It says here, Bun install run 2 times faster than PNPM, 3 times faster than NPM, and then 4 times faster than this Yarn, which is in the latest version. Oh, yeah. But anyways, this takes time. That's why I run it right away before, but the rest will be on the fly. Okay, so, but yeah, this is good. This is good. Okay, so we're done with the package manager. Let's move to, so I guess the slides is here. Automatically, it goes to demo. Okay, that's good. So it's fast, right? Bun is fast. But what are the things that we can do with this package manager? I'll show you a few things from Bun's package manager. Bun install, add, remove, update, link, same as the other package managers. Global cache, we can use that. Workspaces for monorepo, doing monorepos here. Who's doing monorepos here? A few. So it has a first-class support on that. Lifecycle scripts, the post install, right? When you're using Node SAS, it has this post install. That's why it's taking so long, because it's downloading the Node SAS binary after the library package, putting it to your machine. Overrides resolution, dependencies of your dependencies, and more. I mean, these are the common features of any package manager. Now let's move to the test runner part of Bun. Says here it's faster than VTest. Yeah, Jest and yeah, Bun. See here, Bun is a test runner that makes the rest look like test walkers. What a joke. Okay, so we're going to benchmark this and see who's telling the truth. Okay, a demo time again. Lots of demos here. I refine warm up. Oh, see here we have warm up 1 and then runs 10. But I guess I need to let see first what is this code. So I have here apple, banana, orange. They have the oh, jeez, good, good, good. Oh, thanks, thanks, thanks. I thought it's automatic. Oh, good. So apple, banana, orange. I need to do this naming because VTest, we're importing VTest, right? And in banana, I'm importing bun, but it's still same code. And in orange, I'm not using anything, but it's using jest. Okay, so let's go back to the terminal. Let's do benchmark, running it 10 times uh, each command, and then getting the average of it, right? And in 3, 2, 1, still taking so long. Jest is taking so long. Wait, so it says here, bun test, the banana run here is 1.33 times faster, almost the same with VTest. So VTest is fast, but jest is like 2 times faster than jest. So this is very important when you're running tests in the CI. This makes your CI, to run quicker and saves money again. So it's everything's, boils down to how much you would save. So now we have the result of which test runner is faster. We're done with this. Let's go back to slides. It automatically goes there. That's good. So in test runner, the same features again. We have, you can do anything you want in writing tests. We have watch mode, lifecycle hooks, mocks, snapshots, dates and time, DOM testing, code coverage. Do this. Yes, yes. Use what you've learned from jest. Same syntax, right? Watch mode. What else? Lifecycle hooks. And before all, before each. So you can, you can use deleting or spinning up data for tests. Okay, so yeah, like setup and teardown. What else here? Create mocks, like this. Okay, bundlers. Running out of time. So for bundlers, we need bundlers for file system routing, which Meta frameworks have now. Help us do code co-location and server components. And it says here, it's faster than ESBuild, RSpec, parcel. Let's give it a go. So I have here parcel, rollup, ESBuild, bun, RSBuild, webpack, and most of them can be run in a single command in terminal. However, webpack needs configuration file, and RSBuild has to be compatible with webpack. So both of them have these files. So so here, I'm just going to run it. Let's see, just to show you that it's giving me an error. But I already run it here. There could be, okay, maybe some flicking. Okay, so it's running now. Our test. So what else is included here in bundling? Source map and minifiers. So, okay, how much time do I? How much time? In 1 minute. Okay, and says here, bun is faster than ESBuild. Almost the same, 0.05 times faster than rollup, RSBuild, parcel, webpack, and then so on. So yes, I think that's all for now, and I can go now to since I don't have much time. For the key takeaways, Okay, so guys, key takeaways here, and I have so much more, but unfortunately we don't have time. Reduce CPU usage and continuous integration, and do your own benchmark to know the truth of performance. And you can try, Bun, but mostly for small and simple apps. Resources, Bun, Ziglang, Elysia.js, which uses Bun runtime in their framework. And this is the demo, and the whole different. There's more. We're just half here, but I have to discontinue. But it's all documented in this repo, by the way. And thank you for this lightning talk. And yeah, you can ask me questions later, and then we can talk about anything that you'd like to know.